what exactly is a home warranty and how does it work? In this video, we will go over the ins and outs of home warranties for landlords. We'll cover what a home warranty is, what it covers, and how to choose the right home warranty for your rental property. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how a home warranty can provide an extra layer of protection for your rental property investment. Home warranty for rental properties. Before we get to the best home warranties for rental property, let's talk about whether you should consider getting a warranty for your properties. A home warranty is essentially a service contract that covers the cost of replacing old appliances and HVAC systems. There are many layers of protection you can purchase for your rental property, such as insurance, but none typically cover normal wear and tear of systems or appliances. And that's exactly what a home warranty does, making it an important part of any complete property protection plan. A home warranty is especially useful for properties with older systems and appliances. Fortunately, home warranties don't quite work the same way as appliances do, as most home warranty companies will cover your property no matter the age of the appliances. Here's a list of some more of the benefits. Keep your property in good shape. The primary reason to get a home warranty is to keep the property in good condition. When an important system or appliance breaks down, it can mean a laundry list of bad things, such as an unhappy tenant, an unsafe tenant, or no tenants at all if the property is vacant and you're looking for someone to move in, but they won't take the unit without the equipment being fixed first. Regardless of the situation, provided it's due to normal wear and tear, a warranty can have you covered. Hiring and working with a repairman is taken care of in addition to covering the cost of the equipment itself. A warranty also typically covers the cost of sourcing the professional as the warranty company handles it. So no need to make any deals or schedule any calls as the whole process is handled. Plus, it's typically done very quickly, so no need to worry about a tenant without heat or other tricky situation. Your home warranty is tax deductible. In most states, the premium payments and associated fees of a home warranty are tax deductible. So while a home warranty is generally considered to be pretty affordable, it technically costs you even less come tax season. 5 best home warranties. In this section, we are going to list 5 of the best home warranties for landlords looking to protect their rental property. Each is slightly different, but every one of the options we have mentioned are worth a look. Here are 5 of the best home warranty companies for rental properties. Number 1, First American Home Warranty. First American Home Warranty offers a highly affordable home warranty with more coverage than the average warranty. It's particularly well suited for those who want or need a large amount of cover for their HVAC systems. They have a useful first-class upgrade option that adds an extra layer of coverage for things like improperly maintained or installed systems or appliances, making it perfect for rental properties. Pricing. First American Home Warranty offers 2 basic plans. One, their basic plan, which covers appliances, and another, their premier plan, which covers appliances and systems. Monthly premiums for each plan are basic at $25 and premier at $39.50. They have a standard $75 service fee alongside the monthly premium. Number 2, American Home Shield. American Home Shield is a longtime contender with good, customizable pricing options. In addition, they cover damages that many of their contenders won't handle, such as rust, corrosion, and sediment. In all, this makes them an especially safe and effective option. Pricing. American Home Shield offers 3 main plans alongside a flexible $75, $100, or $125 service fee. The higher the service fee you select, the more you reduce your monthly premium. Pricing plans with the basic $75 service fee are Silver at $39.99, Gold at $49.99, and Platinum at $64.99. Number 3, Select Home Warranty. Select Home Warranty offers several highly affordable monthly premiums. They have a unique roof leak protection service that is included in their normal warranty plans, which is something pretty unique in the industry. Pricing. Select Home Warranty has 3 pricing plans. Bronze covers appliances, Gold covers systems, which Platinum is their combo package covering both. Monthly plans come in at Bronze at $40.67, Gold at $40.67, and Platinum at $46.08. They also have a standard $75 setup fee in addition to the monthly premium. Number 4, Liberty Home Guard. Liberty Home Guard is a newer entry, but it's quickly made waves as one of the top rated in the industry. It boasts a lower service fee than its competitors, as well as a low service call fee. Along with affordable payment plans, it's one of the most affordable options on our list. Pricing. Liberty Home Guard has 3 plans broken down in much the same way as their older competitors. The Appliance Guard plan covers appliances such as its namesake suggests, while System Guard covers systems. The Combo Plan Total Guard covers both appliances and systems. The monthly plans are Appliance at $39.99, System at $49.99, and Total at $59.99. Number 5, Cinch Home Services. Cinch Home Services sets itself apart with a few unique bells and whistles. It has a homeowner's insurance rebate plan that reimburses customers on their top tier plan up to $10,000 if they make a single homeowner's insurance claim during the life of their warranty contract. Like American Home Shield, they'll also cover unique conditions such as rust and corrosion. Pricing. Cinch Home Services has 3 monthly payment plans that range in price depending on the service call fee you choose. $100, $125, or $150. Monthly plans for their basic $100 service call come in at Appliances $81.99, Systems $87.99, and Complete Home at $102.99. We hope this guide has helped you understand the importance of having a home warranty as a landlord and the best companies to consider. Remember, a home warranty can offer an extra layer of protection for your rental property, so make sure to do your research and choose the best option for you. And if you need a reliable property management software to help you manage your properties, be sure to check out DoorLoop. With its all-in-one platform, you can streamline your property management tasks and focus on growing your business. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one.